Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic today is about additional funds needed. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the forecasted sale double from 1000 to 2000. So that means in this situation they increase about 100% because they double in here. So we want to find about 100%, we just use about 2000 minus 1000 divided by 1000, and this one we have 1 or equal to 100%. This one that's about the new minus the old one divided by old, and we do the first one. The next one that is about AFN. So the formula of this one that is like this. So the first thing we see that in the net fixed asset they just only 50% capacity. So this one does not meet about full 100%. So we just select only cash, account receivable and inventories. So 100, 200, 200, we have 500. We multiply by 100% of increasing on sale. About this one, we just select about accounts payable and accruals. So we have 50 and 50. So we have 100 multiplied by 100%. The next one, increase in retained earnings. So we have 2000. And here we multiply by projected net income, that is about 6%. Later that we have payout ratio for 50% for dividend, and now we just have only 1 minus 50% for retained earnings. We calculate this one and we have 340. This is the end. Thank you for watching.